Here we have a really incredible Guerrini Supernova piano accordion, low, middle, middle, high, with 41 keys on the right hand and a tone chamber. This is a really beautiful and compact instrument, only weighing 24.5 pounds for a tone chambered instrument, and very, very comfortable to wear. So, getting into the bassoon reed. The accordion. The bandonion. The harmonium. The organ. The master, which is also accessible with the Master Palm switch bar. The musette over here. The violin. The oboe. The clarinet. And the piccolo. A really, really strong, piercing piccolo for that top, which is exactly what you're looking for when you want to have the projection power. Over here we have 3 switches and 96 basses, so that reduces some of the clutter, and it's very easy to maneuver. You have this switch, the master, and then the high.